Oh man, maybe she had a gun. And maybe we can get this one. This kind of looks like a... No, it's not going to work. It's just a stick. Wait, enemy right there. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay. Is that what I think it is? It's a minigun. Oh my god. This is what I always wanted to touch. So long, Satan. Oh. Come on. I guess. So long, Satan. Are you? You know what? You know what? I'm gonna do something better. We're YouTubers now. Bro, why does this gun suck? You know what?
Try doing another level. Maybe it's like...
I'm gonna do another level now.
Hold on, let me see the gun. Let me see the
Okay, I'm gonna get closer for this though. That's a guy! Are you serious? You know what? I'm gonna become an avatar. Hadouken! Are you? I got him! I need to change my weapon. Hurry. Oh, that one looks good. You're up for a treat, buddy. No. Okay, he's gonna get destroyed. No. Alright, I hope he doesn't spawn again. Are you? Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna take my new minigun away. Oh my god, this is... Die! Die! You must perish to death! Ah! Is it enough? Is it enough? Nah. Go taking cover. Is this funny? I'm not done yet. I hope he doesn't talk. What should I do? Is that enough, guys? I think it's not enough. I think he's gone. Should we go? I'm gonna go on the truck and dump it on him. There he is! Got a good boy!
Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Okay.
I'll give you all my V-Bucks.
You're poor. He's definitely dead. Alright, I'm just gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave my minigun. Sheesh. So, what's next, guys? Alright, I'm gonna go find somewhere else. I hope he doesn't come back alive. Hey, Smarty Pants. Smarty Pants.
Don't shoot. Please, I surrender. Okay? Don't shoot.
Oh my god, you're not out of here until I say.
Please don't shoot.
Yeah. Should we try this one? Okay, you can go.
Okay, thank you. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, stop. We gotta go.
You're not wet a lot.
Okay, I'm wet. I get it.
Let me change it. It might
No,
hurt.
please, don't change.
Oh, that one looks nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna clean the lawn. Alright guys, that is it for today. I might post another video where I have to attack him. And yeah, see you next time.